Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to provide you information how to use this Neurosym device. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, when you open the box you will see this kind of device and this kind of earpiece. Okay, you need to attach this earpiece to the device and you need to attach this earpiece to your ear. Okay, and you need to set, simply you can see over here, you can see you need to attach the earpiece and you need to activate your Neurosym device and you need to adjust you can say like level until you feel a tightening sensation. You need to adjust the you can say like sensation of this device, and when you feel some you can say like sensation here you can say like earpiece device, then you need to leave it at the you can say like at level and you need to use it for 30 to 60 minutes every day. Okay, and when you use this product you will see these kind of changes in your body. Your sleeping is improved, you will feel like low fatigue level and depressive statics, and reduce your stress level, anxiety level, and improvement in post viral fatigue. Okay, and if we talk about these kind of product really work, yes, these kind of product really give you amazing results. So if you have any issues you can also make a comment, and if you have any kind of experience with this product, please share your thoughts in our comment box. And if this video will helpful, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video my dear friends, and bye bye.